Balloon blowing exercise, or breathing exercise, brought together future journalists and mentors from several countries, from Egypt to Croatia. The setting, Thessaloniki, at the Thessaloniki International Media Summer Academy, or for short, THISAM.
Everybody stand up, shake off all the energy. We've just played this wonderful game. George won. We're all feeling bad about ourselves. We didn't win, but let go of that shake.
It is not a typical summer school. It has a very important component, innovative component, but most importantly, it is a meeting point where ideas are exchanged, things are presented, and people come together.
Bilo je veoma interesantno zato što sam naučila mnogo stvari iz tih zemlja I mislim da su I oni naučili mnogo stvari iz moje zemlje.
Ne, super, res, ker vidiš, kakšna je scena v drugih državah, ne odprejo si ti pogledi na svet, se meni zdi, treniraš angleščino hkrati, tako da čudovita izkušnja.
The atmosphere where it all took place was also inspiring. This part of Thessaloniki is the new waterfront. The sea, the promenade, the restaurants, former warehouses now renovated and turned into museums. The Museum of Photography was the venue for the summer school, an inspiring place and a perfect setting for filming reports as well.
She's actually doing nothing else but constructive journalism with mobile phone. So
a mix of theory and practice, with hands-on examples of constructive journalism and positive stories that offer solutions. Then, it was time to put all that knowledge into action during the Mobile Journalism Workshop, one of THISAM's most engaging and fun activities.
And I think it's best to watch it, and we'll talk about it later, so yeah.
One of the hot topics discussed was the future of journalism. Is artificial intelligence a threat?
Already have in your medium, you can put it in the AI app, and it's your right to create something new.
Creative workshops encourage students to think about all the ways they could use artificial intelligence as a positive tool in journalism.
I think that journalists has to understand the world they are living in, right? We are living and going through a world of AI. You cannot ignore that. You can decide to not use it, but you cannot pretend it doesn't exist.
You have to answer fast. The faster you answer, the more points you get.
Which of these disinformation stories circulated in Greece during the COVID-19 pandemic?
One word why it's so important that this keeps happening, and that's because of the word trust. The media, social media, AI makes the audience globally distrust us. But when you put people from different cultures and countries in the same room, they learn to trust each other.
Excellent example of teamwork. Even in your presentation, you had a very orchestrated, choreographed.
I exchanged different ideas, and I have gained different insights and perspectives, and I will come to be reflected on my courses and for my students.
This is actually the true treasure of Thessaloniki International Media Summer Academy. Having people, having ideas from all over the world in order to exchange knowledge and most importantly to unveil tomorrow's media.
THISAM grows and grows and grows, and this year it was bigger, better than ever. And that's not just because of the events, the magic of being in a new place, but because of the people.
It was all fun. I love the professors, I love the people, I love it all.
I was more than lucky participating here and working with all of you guys from all countries and like thinking out of the box. This is the point.
Preparations for the 10th anniversary are already underway.
THISAM will have 10 years of presence in general, so we need to be very careful. We are excited. We would like to offer something more. Every year we try to to add something more, so stay tuned. THISAM 2026 is on way.
And TV student from Zagreb will definitely be part of that story.